These DOQAUS Over-Ear Bluetooth headphones stand out for their exceptionally long battery life, easily covering multiple days of commuting or travel without needing a recharge, and still offering wired listening when the power finally runs low. The sound quality is impressive for this category, with dual dynamic drivers and 3 distinct equalizer profiles that let you switch between punchy bass, a more neutral balance, or extra clarity depending on what you are listening to. Wireless performance is very reliable thanks to modern Bluetooth technology, and the integrated high-definition microphone keeps voices clear enough for work calls or chatting in busy environments. Comfort is a real strong point, with generously cushioned memory foam earpads and a light adjustable headband that make long listening sessions far less fatiguing than many similarly priced options. The foldable design and swiveling ear cups make these headphones easy to pack and store, so they work well as an everyday pair that can move from home office to gym bag to carry-on luggage. Dual device connectivity is especially convenient, allowing you to stay connected to a phone and computer at the same time, so you can take calls without interrupting music or videos on your other device.